Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing round 7 of the hashtag Greenery Blanket. So as you know, I didn't get quite 25 comments to make the next one, but I'm going to go for it anyway. Out of the comments, the vote that came across most was red. I don't really have a true red out of the options, but I do have this dark fuchsia, almost cherry color, so that's what I'm going to use. So this is Paint Box Yarns. The color is 251, and of course the link to the Paint Box Yarns are in the description below. I get a kickback if you make an order, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. So on round 7, we're on round 7, so go back and watch the previous videos if necessary. I'm going to join new yarn with a slip knot, place it on my hook, and we're going to do a single crochet in row 7 is chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip 1 stitch. So we're going to find a stitch. Let's see, does it need to be over the top of anything in particular? Not really. It's kind of near the single crochet that pulls in on a loop. So let's go ahead and put a single crochet here. Single crochet. So we joined with a single crochet. Did you see that? Let's do it again real quick. This is such an easy round. You're going to do great with it. So place this slip knot on the hook, then insert the hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. That's a standing single crochet. Now we'll chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch, place a single crochet. So if you're liking this Greenery Blanket series, please make sure to leave a comment. I need 25 comments so that I can know that you guys are having enough fun with this that you'd like to keep right on going. When we get to the point where the circle is wide enough that it fits the back of a person across the shoulders, then I will talk to you guys about how to turn this into a circle jacket. 3, 4, 5. Skip 1 stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. Some people were wondering about the practicality of a round blanket. This is a round blanket, and I think I like round blankets when I'm going to curl up on the couch with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It isn't necessarily always the best shape for a bed or using it as a flat, but let's fold this over real quick. If you were to say this was the size of a blanket, boop, if you wanted to wear it, you could fold it down and then wrap it around your body. So this is the little head and this is the person, and you wrap it around like a shawl. And that's where a round blanket is so much fun for the couch, because then you can be a little taco or a burrito or whatever, or eat tacos. Anyway, I guess I must be hungry, and these bright colors are reminding me of a Mexican restaurant. I hope that's not stereotypical. I love Mexican food, but anyway, so I digress. So if you like this series of the Greenery Blanket, please take photos and post them to Instagram using the hashtag Greenery Blanket, and tag me on Instagram. I'm at the Ellen Gormley on Instagram. Please leave a comment below so that I know that you want me to keep going with this series. Please let me know what you want the next color to be. So the next color is going to be similar to the purple in that it's going to show through these pink loops, these fuchsia, reddish, cherry red loops. So think about that when you're thinking about which color you think would look great on the next round. 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember also that this is a hat, and you can see it in lots of different colors in my Iceland vacation yarn tour video, but the pattern for the greenery hat that's in my book, One Skein Crochet, is on YouTube for right and left-handers if you're interested in learning that hat. 3, 4, 5. All right, so I'm just going to keep going all the way around with this. This is similar to the round 1, 2, 3, round 3. So if you want to go back to the round 3 video to get another view of it, you can, but we're going to continue this all the way around. And as we get to the end, don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you think that crochet is a relaxing and valuable use of our time. So at the end with this last chain 5, we'll just slip stitch in the first single crochet and fasten this color off, because we are changing color every round, and you get to decide which color we get next by voting in the comments below. Please take a look at the greenery hat and also the Iceland video for more greenery goodness. See you next time. Bye.